Hi everybody, I hope you all had a good weekend. I'm doing this on Friday at the same time I'm doing the Yorkshire puddings, but this will go out on a Monday, taking advantage of an empty house. Someone asked me in the comments would I do banana bread, and I haven't cooked banana bread. I don't know if I've ever cooked it actually, or baked it rather. So I thought that would be a great thing to do. Thanks for the suggestion. I'm really sorry I can't remember who it was. But yeah, I'm going to make some banana bread and cook it in the air fryer. The boys will be happy because even though this is going out on a Monday, it'll be a Friday treat. So that's nice, you know, when they come back from school. Yeah, so come and have a look at the ingredients. So I've got self-raising flour. That's got a teaspoon of baking powder there as well. Icing sugar for when it's cooked, sort of drizzle over. Sugar, obviously butter, eggs. It says the recipe called for 2 large eggs, but these are quite small, so I put in a third, and mashed banana. All the measurements, etc., will be in the cost breakdown at the end, in the description and in the comments if you wanted to copy and paste. So yeah, let's get you up there and start mixing and get this banana cake stroke bread in the air fryer, ready for the boys coming home from school. See you in a bit. Right, I'm putting the flour and the baking powder in, self-raising flour. I'm going to do a bung it all in all at the same time. I'm not going to bother about what do they call it? Memory. Creaming the eggs and sugar together. I'm just going to bung it all in. Apart from the mashed potato, the mashed banana, I'm going to actually put that in once this is all mixed. Oh, I love this bowl for mixing because it's got a wide bottom. I'm not missing any bits of flour or whatnot while mixing. Well, I'm just adding the mashed bananas now. Fold them in. Right, let's get these in some greased tins for the air fryer, and we're good to go. See you in a bit. Get this mixture in the cake tins. Done. Right, let's get this in the air fryer. So I've just preheated the the Ninja for 5 minutes. I was trying to avoid it going into cool, but I wasn't fast enough. That's okay though. I'm just going to load the drawers up quickly, or as quick as I can. just wait for that to end. Should be not much longer. Right, turn it back on, match, bake, 30 minutes at 160, or is that 320 Fahrenheit, 160. Don't know if you can see that because my light's shining on it a little bit. There you go. Yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. Right, it's about to end. Hopefully all is well. I've got my skewer type thing to test. Ooh! Well, that looks alright. Let's have a look. Let's check it's cooked. I think I'd be tempted to I don't know, can I put it upside down? Oh, is that cooked? Just leave it. I'm going to leave him in there while it's the heat of the thing for a few minutes. And maybe that'll be enough. So yeah, I'll be back in a tick. It'll literally be a few minutes. Right, I'm going to get them out and let them cool in the tins before I take them out of the tin. They look a little bit overdone on the top. Yeah, maybe 25 minutes would have been better. I don't know. Well, we will tell when we cut it open, I suppose. There we go. Yeah, so I'm going to leave them to cool and I'll be back to take them out of their tins and leave to cool further before we go to the taste test. Can't wait. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Right, let's get these babies out of their tins. Look at that one, it's kind of sunk, which is a bit odd. Not sure why. Has anyone made banana cake? Or banana bread? I don't know what to call it, to be fair. In the air fryer. Let me know if you have, because I can. Don't know what's going on here. Well, I'm going to let these cool further, and yeah, we're going to come into a taste test. I mean, I'm sure it tastes lovely, but that's better than that one. That seems to have collapsed a little bit. Okay, alright, I'll see you in a bit. Right, I'm just going to put icing on this one, because I don't think I've actually got enough for the this one. Right, back in a tick. Alright, well this is, where are you? There you go. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what banana cakes are meant to look like, but that looks okay. The boys have polished off the second one, the one that had kind of collapsed because they'd come into school. In fact, the timings was perfect. But I wanted the icing to cool on this, and I haven't tried it yet. So, well, I'm going to have a slice now, which will be very nice. Thank you very much. So I'm going to cut into it now. Yeah, I'm going to cut into it now. Let's see what it tastes like. I mean, I've tasted banana bread before, or banana cake. I'm not quite sure what it is. If you know, if you've had a go at this and it's been worked, it looks different in some way, then maybe I cooked it for too long. I'm not 100% sure, but then it wouldn't be cooked inside. That's what I can't quite work out. Or did you take the crisper plate out? Yeah, I'm not sure. But let's taste it and we'll find out. So I'm going to cut into it. Let's see what it's like on the inside. I mean, that's a bit of banana. I mean, it looks all right to me, apart from perhaps the banana bit. Can you see that? Perhaps the banana needs to be cooked, maybe folded in more or mixed in with a, because I folded it in, I didn't do the, you know, the mixer. Anyway, let's have a taste. Mm. Mm. Oh, that's delicious. Very banana-y, as it would be expected. 2 bananas are in that. Oh, I suppose it's in the whole 2 cakes, for the 2 cakes. Oh, the sponge, it's actually lighter than it looks. Oh, that's really lovely. Excuse me. It's got quite a crunch on the outside, and the icing sugars are that melted nicely. That did. It's done that nice, which is what I wanted on the drizzle, lemon drizzle I did. I think that's a much better result. Or, do you know what? I'm going to make a cup of tea and finish that off. Thank you everybody for watching, and I wanted to say, if any of you fancied checking out David Gomm's channel, he does do a lot of chili testing. David, I'm not really into chilies, but I did really enjoy your banana, was it banana? Hang on, bacon caramel donut taste test that you did, because you live in Florida. You're a Londoner, why aren't you? So you've an expat in Florida, and I really did enjoy your short where you cut that salmon, because you work in a restaurant kitchen. I'd love to see more of that sort of stuff as well. So I'm going to put a link in the description to your channel, and head on over and see what David gets up to in Florida. I'd really love it if you could check him out. So anyway, thank you everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, have a good week. Oh, hold on, when's this going out? It's going out on Monday, so I hope you had a good weekend. Take care everybody, bye.